I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make all of your past transactions private in the Venmo app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap Me on your Venmo home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings gear on this screen. Your Venmo settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Swipe down to the Preferences section and then tap to choose Privacy. Your Venmo privacy options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the More section in this menu and then tap Past Transactions in this section. You'll land on the Past Transactions menu. Step 5. Tap Change All to Private. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to change the privacy for all of your past transactions to be private. Step 6. Tap Change All to Private. That window will close and you'll see a note that you've successfully updated all of your past transactions. All of those past transactions will be private going forward and won't be visible to other people. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.